Hi there, in this video we're going to be talking about a new feature being brought to RICOH Spaces, Hide My Name. The Hide My Name feature brings a new functionality to RICOH Spaces that, as the name suggests, allows users to hide their name when making a desk booking. With that combined with feedback from our users, which we always factor into our development process, we can implement new features that improve the experience. So that's why we have brought this new feature to our platform. But what does it actually do? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the admin side of Hide My Name and how it allows admins to have the control over the level of privacy for desk bookings made per location. To access the settings to enable this feature, we need to go into our organization settings, which is used by this icon on the left-hand menu. And these settings are configured per location for better flexibility. So we need to find our office. So we have our Birmingham office here. Then we get this menu on the left hand side, and depending on the permissions that have been allocated to your account, you may have access to all of these items, or some of them may be locked down, like issue management is here for me. The tab that we want to click into is policies, so when we go into there we can see all of the different policy settings that we can configure for our location. At the top we have a series of headings for all the different settings that we can configure, so we want to go into privacy on the end. And here we have our new features that will be available for administrators. Now when it came to RICOH Spaces, we already had some privacy settings in place when it came to data anonymization. Administrators had the ability to enable visitor data anonymization and enable desk booking data anonymization. But the new feature that we have brought in is visibility of user booking information. These relate to when the data is fed back into your insights reports, whereas this setting anonymizes live and future desk bookings on the floor plan. When it comes to the settings for visibility of user booking information, i.e. names appearing when they make a desk booking, there are 4 options to choose from. Our first option is visibility for all users. This is the default setting in RICOH Spaces, so when you hover your mouse over a booked desk, you'll be able to see the name of the person who's booked it. Next is set by user preference, which allows the user to decide the level of visibility for their own desk bookings. This is currently disabled, but we'll be talking about this feature and all of the different settings that users will get in an upcoming video. Now, increasing the privacy, we have visibility for only admin users. With this setting enabled, hovering your mouse over a booked desk will merely say that the space is booked and will not tell you who it is booked by. So as you can see here, users will be hidden from the floor plan, names above desk bookings will not appear for any non-admin users, and this setting will override the user preference setting that we mentioned earlier. Information is still visible to admins under booking, occupancy, and reporting. And finally, the fourth option for total privacy is zero visibility for all users. With this setting enabled, users will be hidden from the floor plan, so when you hover your mouse over, again, like visibility for admins, it will just say that the space is booked and won't say who it's booked by. This will also override the user preference, and unlike visibility for admin users, information will not be visible to admins under booking occupancy. It will still show that the space has been booked, but it will not say who by. With this feature, organizations have total control over the privacy of their floor plans, creating a better experience for all users and ensuring they are compliant with GDPR. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.